We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Simplicity Courier 52-inch zero-turn mower. This does have a 52-inch fabricated deck. Here we have your movable floor panel. This does have a nice breathable mesh seat. Here we have your cup holders as well as your fuel tank. It does hold 3 gallons of fuel. Here we have for your levels. This does have the cargo bed on top. Here we have the rear bumper. This does come with a 25 horsepower Briggs and Stratton PXi engine. This does have the ReadyStart, so there is no prime, no choke. This mower also comes with the Hydrogear ZT2800 transmission. Has the rear suspension. Here we have your hour meter, your PTO, throttle. Does come with a rubber chute as well as aluminum spindles. Does have the foot operated deck lift and has cutting heights of between 1.5 inches and 4.5 inches. Once again, this is the Simplicity Courier 52-inch zero-turn mower. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.